Hi, I'm Bill Carney with ProPlugger, here to talk about ground covers. Our good friends Todd and Carrie have struggled for years to grow lawn grass in their shady backyard, and earlier this year they found the perfect solution in Dwarf Mondo grass. It grows to a lawn height of 3 to 4 inches, thrives in shade, and only needs to be mowed a couple of times a year. They planted a few thousand plugs earlier this summer, and today we'll show you how they did it. We'll also transplant some Vinca, as well as plant a tray of pachysandra. Todd and Carrie used our standard 5-in-1 landscape plugger to plant all of those plugs. We'll show you how using the XL model, which digs a slightly larger 2 1/8-inch diameter hole. And by sliding on this 4-inch adapter plate, we'll be digging 4-inch deep holes as well. The 5-in-1 also comes with a 2-inch adapter plate for other jobs around the landscape. Stepping down the footpegs until the adapter plate bottoms out against the ground, a slight twist of the handlebars to break the soil plug loose, and pull straight up. You just dug your planting hole. It's that easy. We're spacing these planting holes every 3 to 4 inches, digging one hole right after another, all from a comfortable standing position, letting our body weight and gravity do most of the work. The soil gets stored in the tool as I work, and when it's full, I simply turn it upside down and it empties right out. We'll mix in some organic compost to help break up this clay soil of ours and to give the Dwarf Mondo grass some added nutrients. Next, we'll loosen the root ball, drop in the plug, snugging it in place with the amended soil, and move on to the next until we get them all planted. Dwarf Mondo grass plugs can be a little expensive, and to help save money, you can cut these plugs in half, making each of your trays go twice as far. And here's another money-saving tip. Once you've got some established Dwarf Mondo grass in your yard, you can transplant it to other parts of your lawn to help spread it. We don't have an established area yet, but I'll try to show you how with this little sprout that spread from an adjacent plug. Using the 5-in-1, you first pull your donor plug. Then, in the area where you want to transplant your plugs, you'll dig your planting hole. Next, turn the 5-in-1 upside down to empty out your donor plug and press it into place. It's that easy. You're actually turning your yard into your own little landscape nursery. Now on to the Vinca, which we'll transplant in much the same way, except that we'll harvest the donor plugs by hand in order to capture some of this trailing vine material. We'll then dig our planting holes, spacing these about every 8 to 12 inches apart. Now we know we'll probably run into some roots and rocks in this area, and that's okay. When we hit one, we'll simply move over a little and dig our planting hole. We'll set the plant in place using the amended soil, and remember to water the area well. Our final project is planting this tray of pachysandra in a raised bed bordering some of these hardwoods. And again, working from a comfortable standing position, we'll step down on the foot pegs using our body weight and gravity, and we'll dig all the planting holes. Drop in the pachysandra plugs, setting them in place using the amended soil that we mixed earlier, and water the area well. Taking the hard work in bending over out of planting our ground covers is not all that the 5-in-1 does well. Be sure to watch some of our other videos showing how to plant your spring and fall flower bulbs, how to eliminate those hard-to-kill weeds like dandelions, wild onions, and thistles, how to plant your favorite annuals, and even build a beautiful lawn as a turf plugging and transplanting tool. It's a year-round landscape tool that won't sit in your shed gathering dust. The all-steel constructed 5-in-1 landscape plugger from ProPlugger. It's made here in America, and it's made to last.